What's going on, traders? Connor back at you with a recap on some trades I took today. And really, it was a really good day. I was done trading within the first, I don't know, maybe 20, 30 minutes. My first trade was a matter of maybe seconds, maybe 20, 30 seconds. So we took two trades today, one on BW and the other one on TNDM. TNDM was more of a little scalp trade. And then BW was, I mean, technically you could call it a scalp trade, but I was only in them for a matter of a few minutes to seconds. All right, so let's go over it, kind of just walk you through why it is that I took this trade and the way that I did it, okay? So let me grab some trend line drawing tools here. All right, just want to point out not yesterday, but Friday, TNDM just kind of rode up all day long, and it held that high price point going into today's trading. So I was like, all right, BW, it's holding its highs. It was running. It's continuing to run. So I'm going to see today if we can maybe get a break above the pre-market high just for a quick early morning spike. I'll ride that momentum, get a quick trade, and be done with it. And that's exactly what I did. So I had this nice momentum from Friday, looking forward to continue a little bit into today. And sure enough, it did just that, okay? So what I ended up doing, and there was a lot of people within our TechBud Solutions Discord chat room. The link will be in the description below. Many of our members made tons of money on BW. A lot of the people that join in on my live streams every single day in the morning for a pre-market analysis, they made some money by following BW and basically just, doing exactly what they know how to do, and that when it comes down to trading, just proper risk management. They got on BW, ended up riding it out, making a good amount of money. I actually just got a message from a gentleman who said that he made $360 from the call out on BW this morning, so great job to him. Now, what we did here is basically we went to play for the break of the pre-market high. Okay, so if I were to put a price point right here, this is where I wanted to get in. To be honest, I wasn't looking at it. I flipped to another screen, I flipped back, and I was missing this initial move. So I didn't get into my desired price point, which was okay. So the red arrows, the first red arrow is where I bought in at 242, and then the second red arrow is when I sold at 252. So a 10-cent move in the matter of seconds, honestly, before I sold. I left a little money on the table, but it's okay. I was happy locking in profits. So I got in right here, sold my position right there. So what we initially wanted to do is get in a break above the pre-market high. I couldn't get that because I missed it. So then initially, I was waiting to see if the second green candle, this green candle was going to break above the high of the previous green. And once I seen it break above the high of the previous green, I entered, went long, ended up selling out at 252. So this is what we basically call just a early morning spike, quick momentum, playing the pre-market high break, riding up the momentum, and selling out as the stock starts to lose its volume and die down, okay? So a nice move today. What did that trade end up getting me? That trade at 242 up to 252, it was about I think I had a 5% winner on that one today. So about a 5% winner there was really nice. And then the second trade I took today was on TNDM, and there was a lot of eyes on this stock as well too. So this was one of those pre-market gappers, so we were watching it. I was busy playing BW, so I wasn't able to get in on here. But once we had this initial morning spike, TNDM started to form a nice little pattern in here. Ideally, what it was doing was kind of just making higher lows for a little bit and getting squeezed into this area, forming a little bit of an ascending triangle, and we were just waiting for it to break out, okay? That's exactly what I was looking to do. All right, so it kept getting squeezed in this triangle, so what I had done, and that's zoomed in a little too much, so ideally what happened with TNDM is we ended up seeing it get squeezed right here at this initial pop, and it started consolidating sideways. And I had a pretty strong feeling with how many eyes were on this and how many people were watching. We were going to get a little nice pop. So I ended up entering my position here on the red candle at, I think it was $1.08. Yep, $1.08. And then I ended up just trading it once it hit $1.12. A 4-cent move, 4-cent quick scalp. And that's all it was for me. It was just hitting a lot of resistance at 115. It just kept hitting it, coming back down, hitting it, coming back down. So it made me a little nervous. So I ended up just closing out my position at $1.12 and locking in that 4 cents profit there per share. And it ended up being, I think, like a 2% winner or 2.2% winner, something like that. So just really quick, easy scalp plays today, a little bit of momentum here. And that's all it comes down to is when you have a winner and you feel like it might go against you, just lock in profits and cutting your losses quickly. But that just goes and recaps my trades for today. Very simple, just in and out trades. Noticing that we're only playing stocks with high volume. And that's what it comes down to is when it comes down to trading, you just want to find the stocks trading on high volume that have nice setups and have that potential. If they don't, there's no point in trading them, and you might as well just not be trading at that point. If you can't find any good setups or they've already passed you, no point in rushing things and not being patient. Okay, these trades were actually done on Robinhood. I closed out majority of the money in my Robinhood account as I was moving over to SureTrader. And so at the beginning of next month, a couple days here, 2 or 3 days, I will be back up to trading the way I want to be trading. So until then, we're just kind of messing around with Robinhood a little bit. So Robinhood, no delay today. I was pretty nice. But all in all, good day. I think we ended up, my account went up 8% on Robinhood today. So all in all, 8% on the day. I can't complain. Didn't make a lot of money because the account's so small now. Once I cashed out all my money, that it's very small anyways. But either way, those are my trades for today. Again, all the links to the chat rooms and our Facebook groups are all going to be in the description below. Please go ahead and join if you're not already a member. If this is your first time watching our videos, please go ahead and like and subscribe and just get yourself in the stock trading community. We're always here to help, and some great things are coming with TechBud Solutions, so definitely keep your eyes out for that, guys. All right, have a good day.